What is up, guys? It's me, Mukhil, and welcome back to my channel, The Brain Poppers, the place where you can know it all. Okay, guys, in our last video, we were talking about planets and the NASA website. I hope you guys visited the website for yourselves. So, I've given the link to the before video so that you can watch it later. Now, let us talk about another new topic called stars. Stars. Stars are luminous spheres made of plasma, a superheated gas threaded with a magnetic field. They are made mostly of hydrogen, which stars fuse in their cores. That process releases energy which pushes against the weight of the outer layers of the star and keeps it stable. The energy is also released as heat and light are radiated out to space. Stars are the main components of galaxies and were among the first objects to form in the early universe. The closest star to Earth is the Sun. A star is born. Star formation happens in the clouds of interstellar gas and dust called nebulae. The process begins when the cloud is nudged into a spinning motion, perhaps by a shock wave from a nearby supernova explosion. Clumps begin to form and they get hotter and hotter as they gain more mass. When the temperature inside such a young stellar object reaches 10 million degrees Celsius, a process called nuclear fusion ignites and a star is born. Okay, so now let's discuss about different types of stars. Red dwarf star. The lifetime of a red dwarf star is 73 through 5,500 billion years, and its temperature is 1,800 to 3,500 degrees Celsius. Red giant star. The lifetime of a red giant star is 0.1 to 2 billion years, and its temperature is 3,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. Red supergiant star. The lifetime of a red supergiant star is 3 to 100 million years, and its temperature is 3,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. Blue giant star. The lifetime of a blue giant star is 3 to 4,000 million years, and its temperature is 7,300 to 200,000 degrees Celsius. White dwarf star. The lifetime of a white dwarf star is 10 to the power of 15 to 10 to the power of 25 years, and its temperature is 4,000 to 150,000 degrees Celsius. Brown dwarf star. The lifetime of a brown dwarf star is unknown, and its temperature is 0 to 1,800 degrees Celsius. Yellow dwarf star. The lifetime of a yellow dwarf star is 4 to 17 billion years, and its temperature is 5,000 to 7,300 degrees Celsius. Okay, now it's time to know it all about stars. There are 9,096 stars visible to the naked eye in the entire sky. To see more, you have to use a telescope to reveal stars fainter than your eyes can see. You can only see about 2,000 stars on a very dark night with the naked eye from any place on Earth. To do this, you need to observe it on a moonless night and be far away from the sources of light pollution. Astronomers estimate that there are 1 trillion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. When you look at a star, you are seeing how it looked in the past. The sun appears as it was 8.5 minutes ago. The view of Alpha Centauri is 4.3 years old, while the appearance of Sirius is more than 8 years old. Okay, so now let's go with the star's death. Stars may live longer than humans do, ranging from tens of millions to billions of years, but eventually they too come to the end of their lives. The manner of a star's death depends on the mass it had after it finished forming. The process of star death starts out the same for all stars. They run out of fuel. When stars die, all the elements they created in their cores are scattered to space to become part of the interstellar clouds of gas and dust. Those chemical elements are seed materials for new generations of stars, planets, and life. For much of its life, a star fuses hydrogen to make helium. When that runs out, then the star fuses helium and then carbon. Each level of fusion releases more energy, which heats up the star. The increased heating causes the fusion process until they reach a point where the core collapses. The outer layers also collapse into the core and then rebound out to space in a catastrophic explosion called a supernova. Okay guys, that's the end for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, The Brain Poppers. Goodbye!